Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add highlights on your Instagram without posting a story, right? So let's go into our Instagram here. Now if you just want to add a highlight, it's very easy. You have to just go to and tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right side corner here. Now as you can see here, this is my one of the highlights. You have to go and press on plus icon here. Now it will show you all the stories which you have posted, so I will select this one, right? And by the way, you can select more than one, and here so you can edit the cover, name the highlights. So you can just for this I'll just write here test and click on done. It will take a few seconds, right? And here as you can see here, our highlight has been created without posting a story. So if you don't know, you won't be able to create a highlight if you didn't post any story till now, right? So it doesn't matter when you post a story, but you have to post it at some point of time, and then only you will able to add a highlight. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.